Hi guys, welcome to today's unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8 media mod. So here we go. This can't be bought online at Amazon or eBay, unless, well, maybe eBay if somebody's getting rid of it. But that's it. So this is it. You have to get it directly from the GoPro website. What's this? Returns label. And then here it is, nothing else in here. So let's see. It's come wrapped because I've ordered this during coronavirus season. And there we go. In the background, I'm actually playing, where are we? Shaun of the Dead. So here we go. So turn your Hero 8 Black into a production powerhouse. Let's do it. So if you have a look at the diagram there, that's basically the functionality that you get out of it. You can put a screen on, you can put a light on, and then you encase the actual GoPro inside. So we're going to have a look at that now. So in the box we have some information and a user guide. Oh, the user guide might be good. And there it is. So if I just pull that out, come on. So the main reason I need this is because I want decent audio and I want to be able to charge it on the go. Now I've already got one of those doors that allows you to charge, but I need the full kit. And okay, so you also get the necessary bits for this. So let me just take them off. Very well put together, actually. Okay, so we will get rid of this. Okay, so as you can see, currently I'm using the Ulanzi door. So I'm going to take this off and I'm going to put the other door on if I can find it. So here is the original door. So all we need to do, take that off. Put that to one side. That is obviously going to come in useful when I need to do other bits and pieces. Put the original one back in, just like so, and then need to just remove this currently. Flip those into place, and then this has a similar kind of drawer. So all you do is, how do you do it? That's weird. I've just damaged it already. Oh, that's not good. Can I just fit it in like that? No. No. Oh, I see what you have to do now. So this might not really be good for me because I need to take this off and then pop it in. You see here, you've got the little power sockety thing. So there we go. I've actually opened it. It's a bit tricky, but that's good because it means it's secure. So what we do now is just make sure that all slots together, which it does right in there. And there we go, it's on. It feels plasticky, but hopefully it's all good. So now I can gain access to the little feet there. And I can put the tripod on wherever that is. won't use that one. And I can pop this in. So when I'm actually doing my travels all over the world, I can actually use this now. With this lovely mic here, my battery is going to die, so let's just plug him in there, plug that in, and there we have it. And it works. Media Mod connected, so it's found it. And yeah, tap the video settings to set it up. But for now, I'm not going to do that because I've got a few other things to do. And then I'll test it out and then we'll see how good it is. Now, you might be hearing some noise in this video. It's due to the projector running the movie. So I'm going to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and you'll be able to see the next video for this particular media mod. And we'll go from there and see how good it is, if it's worth it, if it's not.